Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. I am Leo, and today I am ready to unlock your English potential.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Whoa, Anna. Good morning. You are very musical today.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. Yes, I am practicing my singing. I want to be a pop star. Do you think I have talent?
Well, Anna, you have enthusiasm, lots of energy.
Enthusiasm is good. But, Leo, today I feel powerful. I feel like I can do anything.
That is the perfect attitude, Anna, because today we're going to talk about that exact word, can.
The word can, C-A-N, that is a tiny word. Is it important?
It is small, but it is mighty. It is everywhere in English. If you master can, you can speak about your life very easily.
Okay. Listeners, if you want to learn how to use this superpower word, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, join us. We can learn together. So, Anna, you said I can fly in your song.
Yes, but actually, I cannot fly. I am not a bird. I am just a girl with a dream.
Exactly. The word can has three main jobs in English. It's like a worker with three different uniforms.
3 uniforms? What are they?
1. Ability, what you know how to do. 2. Permission, asking if something is okay. 3. Request, asking someone to help you.
Wow, one word does all of that? English is efficient.
It is. Let's start with the first one, ability. When we talk about ability, we talk about skills or talents. The structure is very simple. Subject plus can plus verb.
Subject plus can plus verb. Okay, for example, I can eat.
Yes, everyone can eat, Anna. But tell me something special. What is your talent?
Hmm, I can speak a little Spanish. Hola. And I can sleep for 12 hours.
That is an impressive ability, Anna. Sleeping is a skill. What about cooking?
Oh, no, I cannot cook. Last time I cooked, the fire alarm went off. Beep, beep, beep.
Okay, that is the negative form, cannot or can't.
I can't cook. Listeners, say it with me. I can't cook. Or maybe you can. Tell me.
I can cook. I make delicious pasta.
Show off.
Now, compare yourself to a superhero. Superman, he can fly. He can lift a car. She can sleep. She can eat pizza.
Hey, I'm a hero too. My power is relaxing.
Now, let's change the uniform. Job number 2, permission.
Permission? What does that mean?
Permission means asking if it is okay to do something, like asking a teacher or a parent.
Ah, like when I was a kid, Mom, can I eat candy?
Exactly. The structure flips. Can plus subject plus verb.
So, can I?
Right. Imagine we're in a classroom. Anna, you forgot your pen. You need my pen. What do you say?
Give me pen.
No, that's rude. Try again with can.
Can I borrow your pen?
Perfect. Borrow means to take it for a short time and give it back.
Can I borrow your pen? That sounds nice.
And I answer, yes, you can. Or, if I am mean, no, you can't.
Leo, can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
Can I go home now? I'm hungry.
No, you can't. We're recording a podcast.
Okay. Just checking.
Here's a tip. In formal English, sometimes we use may. May I open the window?
Ooh, may I? I feel like a queen. May I have some tea?
But with friends, can I is perfect. It's natural. Now, the third job, the third uniform, requests.
Requests, that means asking someone to do something for me, right?
Yes, the structure is can you verb.
Can you?
Imagine you're carrying a heavy box, very heavy. You see your friend. What do you say?
Can you help me?
Correct. But wait, there's a secret to being polite.
Polite? Like being nice?
Yes, if you just say, can you help me, it can sound a little stiff.
Stiff? Like a robot? Can you help me?
Exactly. So we add the magic word, please.
Ah, the magic word. Can you help me, please?
Much better.
Okay, let me try. I want you to buy me lunch. Leo, can you buy me lunch? Leo, can you buy me lunch, please?
The second one is very good, but the answer is still no.
Ah, man, being polite didn't work.
Before we finish, I want to tell you about a dangerous trap, a mistake many students make,
A trap? Is it dangerous?
a grammar trap. Listen to this story. Yesterday, a student told me, Leo, I can go to the party tomorrow.
That sounds okay.
It is understandable, but it's not 100% correct for the future.
Really?
Yes, can is usually for now or general ability. For the future, it's better to use will be able to.
Will be able to. That's long.
It is. I will be able to go to the party tomorrow.
I will be able to speak English perfectly next year.
Exactly. Mistake. I can finish it tomorrow. Correct. I will be able to finish it tomorrow.
Okay, so can is for today, will be able to is for the future.
You got it. Don't fall into the trap.
Whew. Leo, we talked about so many things. My brain is full of cans.
Let's organize your brain, Anna. Let's review.
Okay, I'm ready. First, ability. I can for skills, like I can sleep. Second, permission. Can I, like can I borrow your pen? Third, requests. Can you? And always add please to be polite. Fourth, the trap. For the future, use will be able to, not just can.
That is a perfect summary. You're a fast learner, Anna.
I try my best. I can do it.
You certainly can. English is not about being perfect immediately. It's about practicing small phrases every day.
Yes, use can with your friends, with your family, or even talk to your cat. Can you feed yourself, cat?
Now, question of the day.
Please tell us, what is one weird talent you have?
For example, I can touch my nose with my tongue, or I can move my ears.
Or maybe, I can cook without burning the kitchen.
Hey, stop teasing me.
Write your sentence below. I can.
And don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. I am Leo.
And I'm Anna. You can speak English. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.